Okay, so we first want to start off exactly like we did in those last 3 examples, right? Only this time we're not just going to plot them. We're going to have an extra step. So first, let's figure out our M and our B for each line. What is our M for the first one? -1/2. What is our B? -1. What is our M for the second one? 1/4. What is our B? -4. So let's start by plotting our B and our slope from that first one. Okay? So I'm going to plot it at -1. And why don't I see if I can zoom in just a little bit for you. I need the graph, so I can't go super far. But, all right, there's -1. And then because it's -1/2, that means that we are going to go down 1 and right 2 and plot our point. Down 1 and right 2 and plot our point. Down 1, right 2, plot our point. Excuse me. Okay? That's one line. Now we're going to do the same thing, and we are going to plot our other line. So in this one, we are going to plot the -4 on the y-axis, because that is our y-intercept, and it's a +1/4. So we are going to go up 1, right 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, right 1, 2, 3, and then that one would be off. Now, if you notice when you are doing that, there is one point where both lines touch, where I have both colors one on top of each other. This is where you knowing coordinate pairs and coordinate plane and points comes in handy. So what is the point of intersection? It would be this point right here, and I need to know the coordinate. I need to know the x coordinate and the y coordinate. So you should have told me, or you should have written down that it was 4, -3. 4, -3. That is the point of intersection. Okay? Now let's try the second one. That also says 1. That's my bad. Okay? So again, let's first look at what is our M and our B for both of these. What is our M for the first one? -3/4. What is our B? 6. What is our M? -3/4. What is our B? -4. Okay? So let's plot our B first. That's at 6. And then my slope is -3/4, so I go down 1, 2, 3, and right 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep going off this graph, don't I? All right, now plot the second one. -4 is down here. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and right 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? This one's a little bit harder to tell because they never intersect, right? So I'm going to do the best I can. With drawing my line through those points. What do you notice about those lines? Whereas in this one, they kind of went towards each other, right? Do these look like they're ever going to be coming towards each other? No, those lines are parallel. So there is no solution. They will never intersect. They will never intersect. They're parallel lines. Okay? So that's number 2. Again, if you feel like, Miss Davy, I got this, go on. Let's look at 3. Let's do the same thing first. I don't know what I'm doing. Here we go. M equals and B equals for both of them. All right, for the first one, what is M? 1/1. What's M on the, or B on that first one? -3. What's M on the second one? -1/1. And what's B? -1. Okay? So let's first plot that B on the first one. So we're going to plot it at -3. And we are going to go up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1. Continuous. Then I'm going to plot the second one at -1. And we are going to go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. And remember the pattern of my song. Okay? So this one, again, like the first one, very clearly where the 2 intersect. So the 2 intersect right here. What is that point? Well, the XY coordinate is at 1, -2. The XY coordinate is at 1, -2. Okay? One more that we're going to do together. Let's pick out my M and my B for both of these. My M for the first one is 2/1. My B is -4. My M is 5/1. Ooh, I messed up. Anybody catch me? My M is -1/1. My B is 5. That's why you can't do these things fast sometimes. All right. So plot my first one. I'm going to find -4 on the y-axis because that's my y-intercept. And I'm going to go up 1, 2, and right 1. 1, 2, and right 1. 1, 2, right 1. 1, 2, and right 1. 1, 2, and right 1. All right. Now, plot the second one. Plot my 5 up here. And we're going to go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. You should see a pattern. All right. Where do those 2 lines intersect at? I understand that I went after the intersection and kept drawing. That's just to show my full line. Like, don't stop just because you hit that intersection. Okay? So, here's XY. My X coordinate is 3. My Y coordinate is 2. And that should be your intersection. Okay? Now we're going to try some more on our own.